Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Beta, today, based upon the terms I have explained in the previous video, we will start our exercise 14.1. Beta, in this exercise, there are two types of question. One question in which you have given two parallel lines and a transversal, and you have given one angle, you have to find other angles. Okay, and in second type of question, you have given angles, any one angle, or he will ask that whether the lines are parallel or not. Here beta. So first type question fifth we will discuss here. In figure 62, L is parallel to M, line L is parallel to M, and N is a transversal. N क्या बचे? Transversal. And angle 1 is equal to 40. This is equal to angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 40. कितना angle 1? 40 angle. Find all the angles. You have to find other angles and check that all corresponding and alternate angles are equal. और आपने देखना है कि सभी corresponding और alternate angles equal है या नहीं. So first of all बेटा, L is parallel to M and N is a transversal. And बेटा angle 1 you have given angle 1 is equal to 40. You have to find other angles. How many angles are there total? 4 are there. Means total 8 angles. One angle is given. You have to find other 7 angles. Okay. Now beta, angle 1 is equal to 40 and opposite to angle 1 is angle 3. You know vertical opposite angles are equal. So beta, angle 3 is equal to angle 1 is equal to 40. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, and angle 3 and 5 both are alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 40. Why they are equal? Alternate interior angles. Okay, and 7 is vertical opposite of 5. So 7 is also equal to 5. 7 is equal to 5 equal to 40. Vertical opposite angles, they are also vertical opposite angles. Clear? Now, so now beta, one angle was there, we have find how many? 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, we have find here angle 3, angle 5 and angle 7. Okay. Now other 4 angles, how we will find? Now beta, 4, angle 1 plus angle 2, both are linear pair. Their sum will be equal to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Okay. Angle 1 is 40 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So beta, angle 2 will be 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. Here, sorry, 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. So angle 2 is equal to 140. And angle 4 and 2 both are vertical opposite angle. You know very well vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Vertical opposite angles. Okay. And 2 is equal to 140. So angle 4 is also equal to 140. Clear beta? And 4 is 4 and 6. 4 and 6 alternate interior angle. So angle 6 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 140. Why they are equal? Alternate interior angles. Okay beta. Now angle 6 you have found is equal to 140. Now 8 and 6 both are vertical opposite angle, so it is also equal to 6. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6 is equal to 140. Why they are equal? Vertical opposite angles. Here beta. So we have get all the angles. Okay, one angle we have given here and other 7 we have found. Check which are other 7. 1, 2, angle 3, angle 5, angle 7. Okay, 3 angles. Angle 2, 4 angles. Angle 4, 5 angles. Angle 6. ठीक है, 6 angles बेटा. And angle 8, 7. These are all the angles we have found. Now last line is you have to check corresponding and alternate. All the corresponding and alternate angles are equal or not. Now angle 1 and angle 5, they are corresponding angles. Are they equal? Look, 1 is equal to 40, 5 is also equal to 40. Yes, they are equal. Angle 1 and 7, they are alternate angles. 1 and 7. So are they equal? Yes, 1 is 40 and 7 is also 40. Okay. So next is angle 2 and angle 6. They are corresponding angles. Check they are equal or not. 2 is equal to 140 and 6 is also equal to 140. Yes, they are equal. 2 and 8. They are alternate exterior angles. Are they equal? Yes, 2 is 140, 8 is also 140. They are equal. Okay. And angle 4 and 6, alternate interior angles. Check they are equal. Yes, they are equal to 140. 3 and 5, they are also alternate interior angles and they are also equal. So all the pairs of alternate interior and exterior angles are equal. So here you can write yes, all pairs of alternate and corresponding angles are equal. Here in that way you can find all other angles if one angle is given. So this is the first type of question. In the other questions type first you have to apply the same rules, but diagram will be complicated. Okay, like if two lines are there, L is parallel to M and N, there is another line T, N is parallel to P, and you have to find the angles. Means you have to apply the same rules. If lines are parallel, then alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal, and sum of the interior angle on the same side of transversal is equal to 1. In that way you can easily solve first type of questions. Okay beta? Yes beta? In first type, some complicated question. Question 9. L is parallel to M. Angle 1 is equal to 120 and angle 2 is equal to 100. Angle 2 is equal to 100. This is your angle 2, which is equal to 100 degree. You have to find angle 3 and 4. You have to find angle 3 this one and angle 4 this one. You have to find these two angles. Now but L is parallel to M. Look. So angle 2 and suppose this is angle 5. L is parallel to M. So sum of anterior angle on the same side of transversal will be equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. And is parallel to M. So angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Now angle 2 is equal to 100 plus 5 equal to 180. So angle 5 on one side. Angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 100. is equal to 80. So angle 5 is equal to 80 degree. Now look here, if 5 is equal to 80, then 3 will also be equal to 80, because 3 and 5 are vertically opposite angles. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5 equal to 80 degree. Here, why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Understood? Clear? Okay. So similarly, you can find other angles. Now one angle is left, angle 4 we have to find. Now beta look, angle 1 is given 120, and mark this angle is equal to angle 6. Now 1 and 6 are linear pair, so their sum will be equal to 180. But angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Why? Because they are linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. Now beta, angle 1 is equal to 120. Fill here. So 120 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. So beta, angle 6 is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So angle 6 is equal to 60. Now in that triangle, in this triangle, we have two angles. We can find third angle easily, because sum of 2 and 3 angle of a triangle is 180. Now in that triangle, beta, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 6 will be equal to 180. In triangle. Okay. Yes beta, sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180. That is angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Clear beta? Now angle 3 is equal to 80 degree. Fill here. Angle 4 we have to find, and angle 6 is equal to 60 degree. Fill here is equal to 180. 80 plus 60, 140. Angle 4 is equal to 180. So the angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. Here beta, in that way we can find other angles. Okay, so this is the first type of question. These type of question you will see in the exercise. In other sums you have to try. Now second type we will discuss. Yes beta, second type question in exercise 14.2. And second questions are like this. Question 18. In figure 75 beta, show that AB is parallel to EF. You have given a figure. You have to prove AB is parallel to EF. आपने प्रूव करना है AB EF के parallel कैसे हो. So I already told you in the terms, when two lines are parallel, दो lines बच्चे parallel होती हैं अगर नंबर 1 कोई भी एक corresponding angle equal हो उनका, and number 2 alternate angles, any alternate angles, pair of alternate angle is equal, and third condition is sum of anterior angle on the same side of transverse should be equal to 180. From these three conditions, if any one condition hold, then two lines will be parallel. Now here beta, we have given some angles also. We have to prove AB is parallel to EF. First of all beta, look at the figure. The relation between AB and CD we will see. I am drawing a separate figure, AB and CD. Now beta, this angle is equal to 57. Okay. and what is the value of this angle? Look, this angle will be equal to 22 plus 35, यही है ये एंगल, दोनों का सम होगा. ओके, सो 22 plus 35 is equal to 57. So this angle ACD is also equal to 57. Now these two angles are alternate anterior angles. Okay, angle ACD and D, angle ACD and angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle ACD equal to 57, but they are alternate anterior angles. So a pair of alternate anterior angle is equal, so the lines will be parallel. So beta AB will be parallel to CD. Give it equation number 1. Now AB is parallel to CD. Now find out the relation between EF and CD. EF and CD. Look at the separate figure. This is line EF. Okay, ऐसे, and this is line CD. CD. Okay, this angle is of 35. And this angle is of 145. Okay. Now beta, if the sum of anterior angle on the same side of transversal, here EC is a transversal. If their sum is equal to 180, then EF will be parallel to CD. Check their sum. Now beta, 145 plus 35. 5 plus 5 10. 4 3 7 7 and 1 8 and 1. Their sum is equal to 180. Okay, sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So beta, from here EF is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to CD. Give it equation number 2. Okay, or you can write CD is parallel to EF. Any way you can write. Now from first beta, AB is parallel to CD, and from second CD is parallel to EF. So from 1 and 2. Now AB is parallel to CD beta, CD is parallel to EF, so AB will be parallel to EF. With तीनों lines, AB is parallel to CD, is parallel to EF. They all three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, understood? These are second type of question beta. So this is all about the exercise 14.2. Other questions you have to try by yourself. Thank you.